Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hajra Kamran and I am from the Department of BS Biotechnology. My roll number is 012. Today the topic of my presentation is capillary electrophoresis mass spectrometry. Here is a diagram of capillary electrophoresis mass spectrometry in which a capillary tube is attached, high voltage is given, and this is the mass spectrometer. Contents: definition, diagram, process, application, specifically in drug analysis and in bioanalysis, and references. Definition: capillary electrophoresis mass spectrometry is an analytical chemistry technique formed by the combination of liquid separation process of capillary electrophoresis with mass spectrometry. CEMS. Combined advantages of both CEMS provide high separation efficiency and molecular mass information in a single analysis. It has high resolving power and sensitivity, requires minimal volume, and can analyze at high speed. Here is the diagram. Basically, this is a diagram which is probably used in routine checkups present in the hospitals and for the purposes of kidney diagnosis. Applications: it has applications in basic research in proteomics and quantitative analysis of biomolecules as well as in the clinical medicine. It is used often for routine analysis of pharmaceutical drugs. Capillary electrophoresis mass spectrometry can also be used for routine checkups in clinics. CEMS for drug and bioanalysis. Proteomic approach is generally based on the separation of individual proteins from complex mixtures by some type of electrophoretic of chromatography technique followed by the quantitation, characterization, and hopefully identification. As bigger molecules are unable to flow in the kidneys or in the blood streams, biomarker discovery without verification is of limited value. Proteomic approach provides a valuable tool by combining high resolution separation techniques. The metabolic approach. It is also used in metabolic approach, as the metabolics also referred as metabolic profiling in the comprehensive study of metabolome. Metabolome is the total number of metabolites present in an organism. Metabolites studies also include the molecules obtained from environmental exposure and medications. It is a particular interest of forensic scientists when it comes to toxicological analysis. Only these methods are able to determine the concentration of these metabolites in the human body, and they are capillary electrophoresis mass spectrometry CEMS and laser capillary mass spectrometry LCMS. Uses in drugs. The use of this approach is to study the unclear deaths caused by herbal agents that are used by certain treatments. Herbal agents can be toxic on their own, for example Ricinus communis, or they could interact with certain pharmaceutical agents and lead to drug interaction that is often times fatal. Metabolic approach is basically a great help in this case because screening helps to reveal all the primary and secondary metabolites of preparation and helps to make the fingerprint. Screening of illicit drugs. Screening of narcotics is frequently performed in forensic analysis, also used to determine untargeted metabolites and dangerous changes caused by drugs response and toxicity. In a study, a methylene dioxymethamphetamine MDMA users it was seen adenosine in sign and lysophosphatidylcholine changes in response to MDMA. So basically, these these all the methods, these are techniques which basically used by CEMS, capillary electrophoresis mass spectrometry. This process helps to determine the diseases in the human body and also helps to determine the drugs that are capable of doing their jobs in human bodies. Well, this is all from my side. Thank you very much.